Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will focus on mastering the pronunciation of the word monument. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The Washington Monument is one of the most iconic landmarks in the United States. A monument is a large, permanent structure or statue that is built to honor or remember a person, event, or significant historical moment. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.